in terms of sectors, where do you think most of that's going to fall? Like, is manufacturing the first to kind of soften, and construction, of course, or where do we see some of this happening?
I mean, the wild thing, and the reason why the LEI has been so bad is because the LEI looks at a lot of those ISM components. ISM has been negative. The manufacturing ISM now has been negative for 14 months in a row. So like, you already don't have real meaningful job growth in manufacturing. What you do still have, though, are the remnants of all that fiscal impulse, right? We're running $2 trillion deficits. $2 trillion deficits in the long term is a problem, but in the near term, it's still stimulative. And in the near term, you still have huge growth in the construction and manufacturing facilities driven by chips, driven by the IRA, the RIA, and that is kind of offsetting a lot of that, what was intended to be some monetary tightening, but with this big move down in the 10-year, you have fiscal conditions loosening.